pattern, so follow it and be sincere into accordingly. This girl was absent earlier, now she came. Were you present in daytime? In 6th grade also you are present? Where were you hiding? She was, I didn't see this girl. And the Buddha was also absent. Sorry? One absent, another present? What happened to Susmita? Now many are sick, right? This is the time. What is your Sasank? SASHA presentation June 29th? Right?
Yes.
June 29th, let's see. Is there animation or no animation? Animation. For 98.7 kb means it's not so much heavy. What happened? Right? What? Shared question. How many groups are there altogether? 5 groups? No, in question. 4 groups are there. Group A, Group B, Group C, Group D. Right? Prepared by Sasank Acharya. What is this? Why lagging? Earth. In an experiment, what term is used to describe the variable that is knowingly altered by the experiment? What is that? Knowingly altered by the experimenter. Dependent? Dependent depends upon independent. So independent is altered. What are they talking? They are confused. Exam is coming nearby. Which of the following is not an example of division algae? What is the answer? Sorry? Eulothrix? So moss is not example or division of algae. Moss. Remember. What is next one? What is this? Example of division algae? Moss. What is the study of beekeeping called? Melitology. Melitology, right? Oh my God, right? What is next one? Which of the following is found in chromosome? DNA, right? DNA. Which of the following is a dominant character? What is the correct answer? Axial flower, that's right. He has made a standard question. Give him a big round of applause. Oh, animation also lovely. Which blood vessel carries deoxygenated, not D. Deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs? Pulmonary artery, that's right. Pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood from heart to lungs. Which of the following animal needs a special type of conservation? Magar goi. How much would a person whose mass is 60 kg weight on the moon? 100 Newton. Is it? Because mass is 60 kg. Weight means mass multiplied by acceleration due to gravity. What is the acceleration due to gravity on moon? 1.67. So 1.67 multiplied by 60 is how much? 100 Newton, right? Number 10. Which of the following formula can give the part of the solid immersed in a... Many times this question is asked, right? But in the exam, this may not come. Yes or no? That's why reading is very important, eh? Okay, now VSQ, very short questions, group B. What is dependent variable? How many divisions are there in, how many division is, or into how many division is kingdom Planty divided? What is lifespan? How span became? SPAN, lifespan of the queen bee.
5 years.
What is mitosis cell division? Okay, what is mitosis cell division? How do you define mitosis cell division? The cell division that takes place part in, or the cell division that occurs in vegetative parts and forms diploid cells. Occurs in vegetative cells or vegetative parts and forms two diploid cells, that is called mitosis cell division. And if the question is what is meiosis cell division, and what should be your answer? Meiosis cell division is the cell division that occurs in reproductive cells and forms 4 haploid cells. How many cells? 4 haploid cells. Next one is define DNA. How do you define DNA? Nice question, right? I think yes, you done very nice. Others they have done this haphazardly time. Define DNA. Don't write. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid, you should not say. So what is DNA? DNA is a nucleic acid found in chromosome and contains
Four type of that.
double helical structure. What does it contain? Double helical structure. So remember and write down only. Write one function of blood vessel. What is the function of blood vessel? What does blood vessel do? Blood vessel allows the blood to move from one place to another. Actually, the way through which blood circulates throughout the body. Name any 2 medicinal plants in Nepal. So Yarsa Gumba, Tulsi, Titepati, Bozo, Calamus, I think, right? Write the SI unit of gravitation. Gravitation, Newton. Not meter per second square. Okay. Acceleration due to gravity is meter per second square. Gravitation, gravity, weight, their SI unit is Newton. State Archimedes principle. State Archimedes principle. When a body is wholly or partially immersed in a liquid, it experiences an upthrust which is equal to the weight of displaced liquid. What do you say? When a body is wholly or partially immersed in a liquid, then it experiences an upthrust which is equal to weight of liquid displaced by it. Okay. That is also over. Very short questions done. Now whose turn? Short questions. Differentiate between points. Right? Number 2, clarify different types of variables, giving an example of, yes, one experiment you have to mention and write which one is dependent variable, which one is independent variable, which one is control variable. Okay. Why are these blank? Are these also questions?
Yes.
Then why became blank? Number 1. Gun. Number, okay, 3. Write any 2 characteristics of echinodermata. Many times this question is asked, but this question may not be asked in exam time. I have prepared the question now nearly at the end. So very soon you will get the question. Wait for some days. By next Thursday I will provide that question to you in exam time. What are the different level of classification? Yeah, those you have kingdom, phylum. How do bees carry pollen?
They are pollen basket.
Describe nucleic acid and their types. Nucleic acid means here we have to mention about DNA and RNA. Right? Oh, diagram is not asked. I think sometimes diagram also may be asked. Draw well level diagram of DNA. Draw well level diagram of prophase of mitosis. Bacteriophage virus, I think not in class 10. In class 10, is there such thing? It's not. Write the functions of gene. 2 functions you have to write. How is blood circulation important in human body? You have to mention the importance of blood circulation. How do you mean by heart rate? What is that? What do you mean by heart rate? And how is a son or daughter determined? Explain with illustration. This is very important. Write down this question. How is a son or a daughter determined? Explain with illustration. Boy, baby, girl. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Now last question. What is this? How does male bee develop from on right leg? Mention the different functions of blood. In a hydraulic machine, okay. Number 13 and 14 also you have to practice. Hey, what is the question here? And these are long questions. One question carries 4 marks. In a hydraulic machine, hydraulic became a bit wrong, there. The ratio of cross-sectional area of the big cylinder to the small cylinder is 30:1. Oh my God. Calculate the load overcome by the big piston when applying the effort of 600 Newton on the small piston. So, what is the formula here? Do you know? So, just remember, one ratio is given 30:1, right? And here is effort is given, right? So, solution. Let the cross sectional area of big by A2, or what can we write here? F2 by F1 equals to A2 by A1. Hey, remember the formula. What is the formula? F2 by F1 equals to A2 by A1. Now, do you know the value of F2? We don't know. F2 by F1 600. A2 30 by 1. 600 multiplied by 30. See? How much Newton? 18,000 Newton. Right? Like our ex-king also. Niraj also. Do you play kingmaker game or what? Huh? And he may say one day I'll make king in Nepal. Only mobile, yeah. Last time, no, I was watching this Meri Basai. Meri Basai, no Meri Basai. Where is that? Sakki Gone, I think. Where is Pande? Bhadragol is there? Maybe Sapt, no. Bhadragol, they are cancelled. I think they are doing some Sakki Gone. And hey, he was staying inside his room and they were playing PUBG. In PUBG, they have to produce sound, no? Han, thok, mar, he was saying very loudly. And in the meantime, police were moving. Many police, they just surrounded them. And one said, okay, open, who is there? Han, mar. He just went and kicked once and checked what were they doing. They were playing PUBG. Our Nirajan also the same thing. Please don't do it, Nirajan. Okay, so you got the idea how to do this, right? Now number 14, read the question. Immerse in water is 18 Newton and it displaces 4 Newton of water. what is the weight of the water in stone? Sorry,
Air.
what is the weight of the
Stone.
stone in air? It is given, but it must be complete question. Find the mass of the stone. Find the mass of the stone. State the principle on which the given activity based on. Okay, he has made this much only, so that question is of 1 marks, but we have to make a bit bigger one, longer one, because it is long question answer, isn't it? Right? What is given there? The weight of a piece of stone when fully immersed in water is how much? How much? 18 Newton. How to solve this one? Clear solution. Here are given. Weight of the stone in water, that is W2. Okay. Weight in air is W1. Please pay attention. Hey, weight in air is how much? W1. Weight in water is how much? W2. Weight of the stone in air water is 18 Newton. Then weight of the stone in where? Air. W1 equals to what? Weight of displaced liquid or water. Weight of displaced what? Water. How much water is displaced? W3 we can write. What is that? Or W only you can write here, no problem. Equals to how much Newton? 4 Newton. If so, now we have, what is the formula? W equals to W1 minus W2.
Yes.
Weight of water displaced is equals to, what is the formula? Weight of the body in air minus weight of the body in water. So how much does it come?
4 Newton here. This side.
Here is
This side, sir. W.
here is 4. Here W1 minus 18, right?
Yes.
Then W1 equals to 4 plus how much? 18. How much Newton?
22 Newton.
Always keep in mind, weight of the body is maximum in air, a bit less in water because of upthrust. Okay, because of upthrust. Right? So this is the weight. How will you find a mass? Mass
Into
of the
W into
body or stone equals to, mass of the stone equals to
22 into
22 divided by 9.8 kg. You know the formula. What is the formula of weight? W equals to mg. Yes or no?
Yes.
What is the formula of weight? W equals to mg. Then m equals to
W by G.
W by g. M equals to W by g. So how much does it come? 22 divided by 9.8. Use calculator. 2.24 kg. 2.24 kg. See, second part also solved. And what is the next one?
Which principle? Archimedes.
Which principle on which it is based on Archimedes principle, and what does Archimedes principle state?
It says that the body immersed in water partially or fully is equal to
Archimedes principle states that when a body is wholly or partially immersed in a liquid, when a body is wholly or partially immersed in a liquid, then it experiences an upthrust which is equal to the weight of displaced liquid. So remember this thing, eh? So Archimedes, you must remember Archimedes principle, law of flotation, Pascal's law. Yes or no? Okay, long question came.
that one is that also.
Long question came here.
This is the calculation.
Okay, good. This question also very interesting one. Read it here. Identify the animals on the basis of their salient features and write one more characteristic. Yes. The body is covered with waterproof scale and it respires through the gills. So name of the animal, fish. What is right? Name of the animal, fish. One more characteristic. It breathes through gills. Already said. How can we can see? Its body is streamlined. What can we say? Body is streamlined. Or what? How many chambers are present in his heart? Two chambers. The heart has two chambers. In that way we have to do. Second one. This question is a bit important. Eh? Remember, you mark it. I haven't seen this question. Now I will select such a one question. So you have to remember and do it. Number second, the body is covered with hair and it can fly.
Sir, it's
Body is covered with hair, but it can fly.
bat.
Bat. Name is bat. So what is the characteristics of bat?
Sir, it can direct birth.
It gives direct birth to its babies. That means it is viviparous animal. What is it? Viviparous animal. Third one, the body is covered with spiny skin and it moves with 2 feet. Starfish. Name of the animal. Starfish. What is one more characteristic?
Not have distinction.
It does not have distinct head. Understood or not? So be careful, students. Yes, he has brought up a lovely question, this one. That's why Isha sang. Give him a big round of applause. Number 4. Respiration takes place through the lungs and locomotion with the help of the flippers. Flippers. Flippers are present in whale. Where? Whale. Then what is the name of the animal? Whale. What is one characteristic? Right? Oh, next question is also important. See here. Question can be asked to show monohybrid cross taking pure red flowering pea plant and pure white flowering pea plant up to second filial generation. Do you know how to do that one or not? So, but at first you have to write like this. Suppose capital R be pure red flowering pea plant, right? And small r be pure white flowering. Excuse me, no talking again. It's time to learn. Copy down and just understand the matter. Only if you make this Netflix live time, YouTube time, means you cannot do anything. So after this first term, I'll just slightly modify this presentation class also. Person will present and will bring some questions based on that presentation and give to the persons. They will solve it. Matter is like that. Presentation slide as well as there are about 3-4 questions. Then there is revision also, practice also, memory also. Yes or no? Pandu GPA. How many GPA? We can say Pandu GPA only because the number is less. But if the number increases and goes more than 100, then we can say Kaurav GPA. Why Kaurav GPA? Kaurav means there are more than 100. But till now, none of the batch has given such number of students. No, there were not that much. Number were very less. But this year, comparatively, number of students are more than last year. Last year's batch was not the batch having less number of students. Earlier there were. Our first batch had got only 8 students. Second batch, no students. Third batch, there were 4 students. Right? From fourth batch, we had got more. In fourth batch, we had got near about 33 students. Till now, the batch with highest number of students is 39. Corona time batch. 2 got GPA falls without writing. At that time, more than 10,000 kids they got GPA 4. Because it was on in school's hand. This time, yeah, they have brought with their own effort, right? And you are also capable, eh? Even Sonish also can deserve. Don't say that you are weaker. Do you know the result of this time or not? Aryan used to be first every time. Could you remember? Did he deserve the highest GPA? Second was, I think, Ashadh. Who was second from class 9 to 10? Ashadh. Third? Prishita was third. But Prishita has done blockbuster hit activities. Till now, nobody has deserved that much also. Now it's a challenge for you. And we have got many things now. If you are unclear, then sometimes you can say, sir, let's watch something, videos in YouTube so that you can learn something. We can present. So we are doing like this. Earlier, writing only, but now all facilities are given. If you could not deserve in this facility also, then you cannot do anything in future. Right? Remember. That's why distraction less, concentration more. White flowering, what is here? P. Plant. They are crushed. And the hybrids, HYBRID, hybrids of F1 generation are self-pollinated. This thing must be written. Then you can write the chart. What is here? Capital R. What is here? Small r. Here is cross. Then what do you get here? Yeah, capital R. What is here? Small r. What is here? Small r. Now what do you get here? Yes, capital R, small r. And what is this? Capital R, small r. You can show only 2 also, but if you show 4, then you can remember. This is F1 generation. What is this? F1 generation. Look at here, F1 generation. Out of these 4, you can choose any 2. Okay, let's take first this one. Self-pollination and cross-pollination is different. Cross-pollination means, see, it is pure red and this is pure white, no? But self means of similar one. The hybrids one, both are hybrids. If one pure, another pure, that is cross-pollination. If both are hybrids, that is self-pollination. Okay. Now you will get here R, and you can choose any. You can choose this also. What is here? R. First R goes with third one. First goes with last one. Second goes with third one. Second goes with fourth one. Then you will get here capital R, small r, small r. Which generation is this? F2 generation. F2 generation. Here is genotype also, phenotype also. Means, look at here. In this generation, what is this? कहाँ से आई तू गई? Here R. Is there any difference? No. All are similar, no? So in this case, there is no any phenotype ratio and genotype ratio. No variation. All are of similar type. But here, phenotype ratio. What is the phenotype ratio? Phenotype ratio 3:1. 3:2 means 3 red, 1 white. 3 red because pure red, hybrid red came, no? And genotype ratio. 1:2. Genotype ratio is 1:2:1. 1:2:1 means 1 pure red, 2 hybrid red, 1 pure white. Understood? Yes. So in this way you have to show the chart. Then you will get 4 marks. Otherwise 2 marks. No marks will be. Yes or no? This question was also already discussed. Thank you. This is the last question that we have discussed before first term examination. Now the ball is in your court. Ball is in your court. How to score you must know. Copa America going on. In Copa America, one new rule they have adopted. If there is draw within 90 minutes, no extra time, direct penalty. They are not going to add 30 minutes. They also matter the same. Either do or die and deserve better marks. Start practicing those all questions and this question also. First, you practice those one chart between pure tall pea plant and pure dwarf pea plant up to F2 generation. Okay? Can you do? Yeah, please start now.